House Bill number 4110 does not legalize abortion.
And the people that we are encouraging or legalizing abortion, is this not lying?
Nothing can stop an idea whose time has come.
The bill is principally about rights, health, and sustainable human development.
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, I stand here to speak of what I believe is right for our people.
Sa reproductive health bill, parang panganganak. We're just trying to begin the onset of labor. Pero
I insist on my motion to suspend consideration of House Bill number 5043.
All those in favor of the motion, say aye. All those against, say nay.
Ayes have it.
Madam Speaker, the voice vote is not too clear. I demand that voting by ballot.
All of us could see the dilatory tactics.
Matayog ang diwa, mayaman ang kasaysayan, ang ating simulain ay di magmamaliw.
Sa bayang sinta, nais natin ay umiral ang paggalang sa karapatan ng bawat mamamayan.
House Bill number 5043, an act providing for a national policy on reproductive health, responsible parenthood, and population development, and for other purposes.
Allegedly fake discrimination.
I have the right to question Kong. Kung gusto nila mag-ano, that is the ano eh.
Sana po sa mga kasama namin sa Kongreso, igalang naman sana nila na marinig yung boses ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
It is not only information, but it should be informed choice.
Ipapasa po natin ang bill na ito at sa term na ito ay magtatagumpay po tayo.
As Speaker in the House, I think the most important role I could have there is to see that this reaches the voting stage.
Bro, na involvement.
So gumawa ng
Buo ang loob ko na may sa batas ang prinsipyo ng responsible parenthood. Kahit pa ang sabi ng iba, dapat i-excommunicate na ako.
every citizen should have the right to choose their contraceptive methods and how they control their family size.
Ang sabi nila, kami raw sa Kongreso ay champion ng RH Bill. Ngunit, ang tunay na kampiyon ng RH Bill, kayo pong lahat!
Sariling katawan.
4244. Affirmative 113, negative 104, abstention 3. House Bill 4244